Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my simple chicken recipe. It's so simple. So you'll start by boiling the chicken. Don't add water as the chicken has its own water. You'll see in a minute. This is the water that the chicken had. I did not add any water at all. So you cover it and let it cook until the water dries completely. The water has dried, as you can see, with no water. Now we are going to add enough oil to shallow fry the chicken. In case there is any redness anywhere, the chicken will cook. Cover it because it tends to splash, so cover it for safety. Now it has browned nicely, as you can see. There's no reddish meat anywhere. Cover it to cook some more. Right now it's ready. It has a nice golden brown color. Next we're going to add our onions on the same oil, the same pan. I'm not going to transfer and make our work hard. Then mix the onions well. Let it cook. Then you're going to add your ginger garlic paste for them to cook together. As I said earlier, I love it using fresh ingredients. And I prefer cooking my ginger garlic paste together with the onions because it cooks thoroughly. I don't want bitter taste of the ginger. Next, you're going to add your salt, enough salt to your liking. I don't use too much salt. That was 1.5 teaspoons. Let that cook nicely. Then you add in your tomato, as you prefer to say. At this stage, you'll then add your spices so that they can cook. Add spices according to your liking. I normally use chicken masala, curry powder, paprika, but I just had chicken masala at hand that day. Mix this together. Next, add your pilipili hoho or capsicum. Wow, look at that. At this stage it's ready. You can actually eat it, but I love my chicken to have soup, so I'll go ahead and add enough water. I added in some water. Then I'll let it cook for the soup to thicken. That's enough. It has thickened enough to my liking, so it's about ready. Next, I'm going to garnish with some coriander leaves or dhania. At this time, I'm using low heat because it's ready. Mix it nicely, and you can cover it to cook for some few minutes, like 2 minutes, but it's ready. This is nice. You can eat with your ugali, rice, chapati, anything that you want, mokimo, anything. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye bye.